Introducing the Boya Ultra Compact 2.4 gigahertz dual channel wireless microphone system. This is the model WMic5 M2. Ultra compact and portable. Selectable mono and stereo output, built-in omnidirectional mic for 360 degrees of sound pickup. Built-in controls for muting and noise cancellation. Compatible with smartphones, tablets, cameras, and camcorders, and etc. Ideal for content creation, vlogging, and mobile journalism, and more. Let's open them up and have a look and see what we have. Looks like we have two transmitters and one receiver. Transmitters are slightly small, which is a good thing. Very lightweight. Over on the side here, it has your mute button and your noise canceling buttons up and down. It's not too bad. Not too bad at all. Looks like it comes with a case to carry them in. That's your little wind reduction. Some people refer to them as a dead cat. That will probably snap right on top of that. Just like that. So what else we have in their little bag of accessories? Multiple plugs for charging and connecting to your cameras. Use these to charge the devices. Comes with plenty of different types of plugs, so that shouldn't be an issue. We will get it hooked up and see how it sounds. Looks like a receiver will have a headphone jack and an line out jack where you would plug in your camera. The USB-C ports for charging. Same thing on the receiver. You have your USB port to charge it. Just out of curiosity, we are going to see if this is compatible with the GoPro. With the media mod, so it has the microphone plug. Let's get it plugged in and see what it sounds like. Okay, we're going to test out the Boya microphone system on this GoPro 11. I have the media mod on there, but we're going to hook up this receiver and see if it is compatible and if there's a sound quality difference. This here that you are listening to is the microphone on the GoPro 11 with the media mod. All right, now we have on the Boya microphone system. We got it hooked up through the GoPro media mod. So it appears to be working. Feels like I got a bug on my shirt. Yeah, I'm testing out a microphone system. I'm just wondering how good it's going to do in the wind. That's why I stepped out here. We'll see. I've got it running through my GoPro, so we'll see.